Good evening, everyone. I'm Munawar Sultana. Okay, I'm basically from Vishakhapatnam. I'm not basically from Hyderabad. I've been here in Hyderabad just for my career prospect. Okay, I've been working since 2018 till now. I've been changed a different stream where I have been got trained on aviation. Then I have switched myself towards an IT industry because there were circumstances where something which is not acceptable in my family terms and conditions, which I can say. So later I have adapted, I have upskilled myself, and there was a long way I came from. Okay, and today, as we are discussing a one person in our life, I would like to mention two people in my life. Okay, one is which is a positive thing which I have learned from him, and the second one is something where I started saying no. Okay, for me, from my childhood, it is really difficult to say no for any reason. I used to say, okay, I was agreeing for each and everything, whatever, even it is uncomfortable for me, even if I'm not intentionally agreeing for something, but still, I used to say, okay, chalo, yes, I'm okay. Okay, yes, for everything. Even I used to get out, what do we say, back hits. Okay, and still I was agreeing for those things, okay, let's say yes for today, and tomorrow onwards I am gonna say no, but that doesn't happen. And all of a sudden there's a person who entered in my life. I'm not mentioning her name, but she plays a really good role in my life to say no. And she thought, like, whenever I used to ask her to chalo, let's hang out, she used to say no straightforwardly. We are like very good friends, and we were very comfortable having funny conversations, any hectic conversations, or any kind of personal conversations, or any kind of thing. But still, whenever I ask her on her weekend, but still she says no. One fine day, I sit with her and I ask, bro, why do you say always no to me? इतनी बुरी हूँ क्या भाई? You always conversate, you text me while you go home, everything you do it, but still when I ask something, you say no. She says, I'm introvert, I'm not okay to hang out. I'm not a socializing person. That's where I asked her. But still, even I cannot go every weekend outside. It doesn't mean that I only sit every weekend at my home. It's something like that, mix of both. But still, I cannot say no to someone. The moment she said, why? किसको क्या जा रहा? तुम्हें मन नहीं है? If your heart is saying no, you should have said no. Even the opposite person realizes at that moment, oh, she might be rude. It's their prospect. It's not yours. That's why she taught me, okay, sometimes saying no is for your comfortable is always good, and it is yes for yourself. And that's why I started saying no. And she really played a very good role for teaching me how to say no for few things, where I started doing it. And you won't believe, no person really bothers whether you're in that social team or not. So that's how I have got myself into saying no. And coming to one second person, he taught me how to be in patience. At times, I'm impatient person. I usually lose that. And he's the one where he taught me, how to be patient, where the situations are not in my control, where he says me, you have to think before you speak, because your words can hurt someone. And that's why, because a small situation I can say, we were waiting for this Barbecue Nation Gachibowli restaurant, okay? I was with him. There was a receptionist over there who used to write our name and number. Usually barbecue guys do it. So she wrote, everything was okay. There was a waiter coming from inside and he says me, ma'am, there are no tables. We need to wait for half an hour more. And I was hungry, and at that moment where I have decided, okay, let me go to the receptionist and say, okay, I'm not happy, please do cancel. Okay, let's go. I was so hurried. Then he decided me, wait for a while. Even it is half an hour, 2 minutes or 1 minute, he asked me to wait. And I waited for 15 minutes, irresistible. I was literally saying, let's go. They are not going to give us. It was a weekend, no probability of getting a, seat of the food for anything. Then I'm okay, no, you have to wait there. And he made me wait, and you won't believe, it was at 3 p.m., which is a closing time. The guy comes from inside and he says, there's a table, please look away. That's how a 15 minutes of wait, he taught me a patience level. You have to keep it at situations where you are about to say no. So that's what these two people plays a vital role in my life. Thank you.